Gather equipment, check medication order against the original physician's order according to the agency policy. Clarify any inconsistencies, check the patient chart for allergies. Know the action, special nursing considerations, safe doses ranges, purpose of administration, and the adverse effect of the medication to be administered. Consider the appropriateness of medication for the patient. Then perform hand hygiene. Prepare medication for one patient at a time. Read the MAR or the medication administration record and select the proper medication from the patient's medication drawer or unit stock. Compare the label with MAR, check the expiration date and perform calculations if necessary. When all medication for one have been prepared, recheck the label with the MAR before taking them to the patient, and return the medication stock to the patient's drawer. Transport medications to the patient bedside carefully and keep the medication in the site at all times. Ensure that the patients receive the medication at the correct time. Identify the patient. Usually, the patient should be identified using two methods. Compare information with the MIR. A. Check the name of the patient identification band, and B. If the patient cannot identify him or herself, verify the patient identification to the significant other. Then complete necessary assessment before administering medication. Check allergy bracelet or ask patient about allergies. Explain the purpose and the action of each medication to the patient. Perform hand hygiene and put on gloves. Then assess the patient's skin where patch is to be placed, looking for any signs of irritation or breakdown. Site should be clean, dry, and free of hair. Rotate the application site as per doctor's order. Remove any old transdermal patches from the patient's skin. Cut into half or fold the old patch in half with adhesive side sticking together and discard according to the hospital policy. Gently wash the area where the old patch was with soap and water. Ensure the glove hand is thoroughly dry before holding the new patch. Then remove the patch form with protective covering. Write your initials and the date of the time of administration on the label side of the patch. Remove the covering of the patch without touching the medication surface. Apply the patch to the patient's skin. Use the palm of your hand to press firmly for about 10 seconds. Do not massage. Then remove gloves and perform hand hygiene. Evaluate patient response to the medication with appropriate time frame. Document the procedure in the patient's chart.